Yo, what's happening everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim, back again with another great amazing graphics design tutorial. Well, the graphics design tutorial of today, it's all about Photoshop brushes using clipping mask. We're gonna toss some images inside the brushes and we're gonna just enjoy how much brushes they're really into it. Another kind of stuff, I think, to my own kind of aspect you've come across using Photoshop brushes, and sometimes you're like, meh, let me just leave it behind, and sometimes you're like, yeah, let me just use this. So sometimes it's so amazing using Photoshop brushes and you're gonna enjoy each kind of aspect using it. And another kind of stuff on my hit list, which I think to my own kind of aspect, there are 5 top website of brushes. If you didn't know about them, well, I will talk about them on the list. First of all goes to Brush King. I'm really kind of appreciating how much Brush King, they're just crushing it like whoa towards the brushes, but actually I've been using it a little bit but not that much. Another second goes to the Q brushes. Now I'm kind of like appreciating how much Q brushes, they're just pushing their brushes into kind of amazing kind of aspect. And another kind of website goes to the list, goes to Cheers Plamu. Now Cheers Plamu, it's such an amazing kind of website whereby you can grab the brushes. And the fourth one goes to My Photoshop brushes. I think this is something which is so amazing about that kind of website, whereby you're gonna grab a bunch of brushes and use it on your own kind of assets. Another kind of stuff is FB brushes. Now I'm like, FB brushes, what's happening here? Another kind of stuff, it goes to Brushizi. Now Brushizi, it's such an amazing kind of website. I know I went a lot of websites, like I didn't go for 5 websites, I just like 6 to 7, but Brushizi, it's such an amazing website whereby I've been grabbing a lot of brushes out there and use it on my kind of designs, and they really spark well. So I hope to my own kind of aspect, for you as a designer, you should check out the website which you find it more convenience to you, which is gonna be easy for you to just hinder things here and there. So for further info, let's get started.
Okay, I'm actually inside Photoshop. As you can see, guys, something which is so great, I got my model here. Now I'm gonna hide this layer and I'm gonna just click and create a new layer. Now from this side, I'm gonna just go all the way to tools panel here, and I'm gonna select the brush I want. I'm gonna right click my brush, then I'm gonna just go and expand this one, and I'm gonna go to free painter photo brush. You're gonna just grab this brush from Brushizi. Now I'm gonna just expand it. Now they're just not a lot of them, just few of them, so we're going to use them here on our layout. Now I'm going to right click it and try to minimize how much I want for the brush to appear. Now I may select this one. I think this one looks more perfect than that one a little bit. Now I'm going to just extend up to somewhere 500. Yeah, 500 I think is much better. Now somewhere here I'm going to just step it out, but the color is not that much vivid. Now I'm going to turn my color into black, or even purple, I think. Now just like that. Now I'm going to just allow my picture here, as you can see how it is. Now I'm going to just take my layer 1, I'm going to drag my layer up to there, and I'm going to right click it, go all the way to create clipping mask. Just click like that. You can see we're having our image there. Now I'm gonna move my image. I move it really fast, sorry guys. And I'm gonna just hit control, then just move to, then just move it. It will just come all the way here, stable, without deconstructing or even having any kind of stuff towards this kind of brush. We just kept it here. I hope you understood me on that. Sorry guys, but I'm gonna go all the way to this kind of brush, then Control plus T and hold just Alt. If you're using the newer Photoshop, just hold Alt, expand it up to somewhere here. Then as you can see, we have an amazing kind of layout looking of how the brush looks like. Now we're gonna turn the background, all of it. Now I'm gonna just click somewhere here and I'm gonna just return everything to how it was. I'm gonna copy this color and I'm gonna just do the clipping mask again. I'm gonna go back to my background, then I'm gonna click X on the keyboard, then Control plus backspace to fill. Now the color is gone, right? It's gone, but don't worry about that. Control plus L, just keep on adjusting it. You're gonna adjust it just like that, then click OK. Now just keep it somewhere here, very steady. You can see the edges of pink. Adjust your image entirely, bring your image somewhere there, Then as you can see guys, we're having an amazing kind of image there, but it's not yet over yet. Right click it, say merge layers. Now what's gonna happen, I'm gonna take another brush. Now change a little bit of style of brush you would like. Now I think this looks more perfect. Now I'm gonna adjust this brush up to somewhere here. Now I'm gonna select the color to be a little bit yellow, somewhere there, yellow orange, not bad. Now I'm gonna just keep it somewhere there. Now I'm gonna turn this color to black. Oh sorry, I just did it on the same layer, I didn't check it out on there. Now I'm going to take my brush again, then just stab it there, click it, boom, there we have it. Now keep it at the back, you can see how much vivid we have it. This is how you create your own kind of design using only brushes. Now it's something which is so amazing, and I'm going to change the color to purple, a little bit purple, somewhere there. Now I'm going to just take my brush and keep it a little bit underneath, somewhere here to right, just there. Now I'm going to create a new layer for that. Now I'm going to click it somewhere there. Now as you can see how much it sparks a lot, but I'm going to just reduce it towards the edges. I don't want it to not make any kind of layout to not look good. Now I'm going to just select some text if I would like, if it's a model or it's a fashion, or just write something which is so perfecto, so as you can just have that kind of things on the go. Lego. I clicked somewhere there. Now I'm just gonna click here and say fashion, and I'm going to take my text and just keep it up front up to there, so as you can see it. Then adjust your font up to somewhere there. Now that's not yet over. Now just double tap on there, then we're going to change some font. Now stylish font is so important for an artwork like this one. Just make sure that if I'm going to use Catherine, it's not bad, but if I use Catherine, it's okay. Let me show you something guys. We're going to start with small letter. First of all, it's going to start with capital letter, then capital F, then small letter, fashion. Just check it out how it is, very clean. Now I'm going to just click on the checkbox there, the tick. Now I'm going to just adjust my text and keep it somewhere here. Nice and clean, very nice and clean. You can see how much it blend there. Very nice, very perfect. Another kind of stuff.
A few moments later.
Drag them and leave them there. Boop. First one, I'm gonna adjust it and keep it somewhere here, just somewhere here. Another one is for the social media. Then I'm gonna just snap it and keep it somewhere here. Just remember, don't keep the social media too bigger, like this way it won't look good. Just keep it smaller up to there. Very nice. Now if you check out the layout, how it looks like, very clean, very nice, very vivid. You can just be like, whoa, we just used some few stuff. We didn't use a lot of shapes, we just used the brushes, we just used the images, we just use only those kind of two things. If you play very kind of closely, you can get an amazing kind of layout looking for your own kind of designs. So thank you guys for watching. If you loved this video today, make sure that you hit the thumbs up. You're new here, my name is Abdurrahim113. Consider subscribing to your homeboy here. I really appreciate on that and other kind of stuff. I'm going to check you guys on the next video. As usually, stay sharp and creative. Make sure that you turn on the bell notification, so as your homeboy here, never mind, I know that you do that. So yeah, that's what's up. I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one, and peace. I hope you enjoyed.